I asked everybody. They said it doesn't pain too much. So then I went ahead and did it.
I mean, everybody has a Salman has one.
No. As in, I have women at home. My sisters and all. They all wear earrings. I think that is the wrong news because परसों ही I'm leaving for Bulgaria and we're location scouting. जो चीज़ें मुझे पसंद नहीं आई और मुझे सिर्फ फिल्म विंटर में शूट करनी है. I was losing this winter, so I'm going next winter. But it's a big film, तो prep अभी से शुरू हो चुका है. I don't know. I have not heard of the title.
It would be nice if
Let's stick to Hajmola, please.
Stick to the event, please ask only relevant questions about today. Thank you. बॉलीवुड में कौन सा कॉमेडी आपको अच्छा लगता है?
आई थिंक सभी बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं और आजकल तो मेन एक्टर्स भी खुद कॉमेडी करने लग गए हैं. तो शुरू में जैसे कि महमूद साहब हुआ करते थे ये वो आज सभी अच्छी कॉमेडी कर रहे हैं. ये जो नए लड़के हैं और ये जो कॉन्टेस्ट रन किया गया है, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि ये छोटे छोटे सेंटर्स में रन किया गया है जहाँ पे लोगों को चांस नहीं मिलता अपना टैलेंट दिखाने का. तो आई थिंक दे पिक्ड अप सम वेरी गुड टैलेंट फ्रॉम देयर एंड दैट्स ग्रेट.
Ajay, if we're talking about comedy, humor can be categorized into different things also. So do you think, something like censorship should be applicable to humor and comedy as well? Also to add on to that.
Nowadays, I think censorship is applicable to everything, and apart from some things which are on the net.
Right.
But mostly it is applicable and it is going a little too far also sometimes.
Right, but do you think that censorship should remain censorship and there shouldn't be any over censorship happening like the censor?
It should remain. That's what I just told you. That it should remain as censorship. It should not go over. We have freedom of speech. I mean, today you pick up the newspapers or you read articles or you see news on television. I mean, you see so much of truth, and you can't just run away from it. So that's what is there in the films also.
Okay, but should the censorship also extend to stuff that is available on the internet like AI videos?
I think it is very difficult, but I'm sure it should be. And I think more than that, I think people should censor themselves if they are responsible. That what they should do and what they should not do.
But what's your take on it? How did you find
I haven't seen it, and I prefer not seeing it also.
So you prefer not seeing it?
Whatever I've heard of it, I wouldn't want to see it because I don't enjoy that kind of humor.
You don't support that thing like this तरह की.
I don't enjoy that kind of humor. I mean, everybody has a personal take to it.
And coming to Hajmola, the thing is कि actually actors लोग अपने diet के बहुत conscious वगैरह रहते हैं, खाने पीने का ख्याल बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं. तो कभी ज़रूरत पड़ती है हाजमोला लेने के लिए?
हाजमोला डाइट के लिए नहीं है, बट हाजमोला बाकी काफ़ी चीज़ों के लिए है. और माई डॉटर लव्स हाजमोला, मतलब वो बार बार उठा के खाती रहती है. तो इट्स वेरी टेस्टी. जैसे कि हम लोग अभी डिस्कस कर रहे थे, कि the combination of getting a smile on everybody's face with humor and hajmola, because when you have a hajmola you also have a smile on your face, so that connects.
Ajay, what is what is it that takes you to probably just laugh your heart out, Is it, what kind of humor is it?
There cannot be a kind of humor. It is always a situation. And anything, something very simple also can make you really, really laugh if you're in that mood and in that atmosphere. So it just depends. It's just about timing and what is said at what time and what happens at what time.